Hey everyone, we're here at CES 2025 and LG sponsored this video so we can check out their booth. They've got AI-powered laptops. They've got new home projectors that look like they blend right in with the rest of your decor. And last but not least, my personal favorite, they've got new gaming monitors. So let's go check it all out. They've got 3 new Gram AI laptops with 3 new cloud and local-based AI features. We've got time travel. You've got everything stored locally. You deleted something by mistake 2 weeks ago and you forgot about it. Boom, you can rewind and it's good to go. They've also got Summarize, which is great. You pump just about any file format document into this thing, ask for a summary, and it'll tell you, hey, it's all about this. This is good for EULAs or end user license agreements, legal documents in case you need a quick summary of what it's all about, or my personal favorite use, your crazy roommate's got some weird agreement that you've got to sign. You need to know what's in that agreement before you sign it. And last but not least, search. It'll search all your local files and give you personalized search results. So if you need to look for something, it'll do it for you. We all know that Windows search is not very good. So let LG's Gram AI do it for you. First laptop we're going to talk about is the 16Z90TS. It's got a 16-inch panel, 2560 by 1600, 16 by 10, 144 Hz. This one's got an Intel Core Ultra processor, LPDDR5X, dual channel memory, dual NVMe SSDs, Gen 4, 77 watt-hours of battery. There's also 2 3-watt speakers, and it's weighing in at just 2.73 pounds. Next up is the LG Gram Pro, the 16T90TP. This one's also a 16-inch laptop, running up to 144 Hz with an Intel Core Ultra processor, LPDDR5X, dual channel memory, dual NVMe SSD Gen 4, 77 watt-hour battery. This one's a little heavier at just 3.08 pounds, but since it's only 16 inches, it still should fit in most backpacks. Another cool thing about this one is it's CES 2025's Innovation Awards honoree. It's a convertible laptop, so it's a super versatile form factor, and it's a touchscreen with support for the LG stylus pen. Next up, we've got the 17Z90TR. It's a little bigger at 17 inches. Might not fit in every bag, but it does come with an RTX 4050. This one's also running at 144 Hz. It's got an Intel Core Ultra processor, an RTX 4050, dual channel memory, dual NVMe SSD, a 90 watt-hour battery to help with that graphics card, and 4x3 watt quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, weighing in at just 3.26 pounds, a little heavier for that 1 extra inch, and a mobile GPU. We've also got the 16Z90TS. It's a little smaller than that 17-inch 4050 laptop we just looked at, but it's also Copilot Plus ready. Unlike the other laptops we just looked at, it is Core Ultra, but this one is Lunar Lake, not Arrow Lake. It's going to do up to 144 Hz on the display. Similar to the other ones, it's got LPDDR5, dual channel memory, dual NVMe SSD, 77 watt-hour battery, 2 3-watt speakers, and similar to the others, it's 2.73 pounds. These guys are all Copilot Plus ready, and they should be able to do whatever you want, both on-device and cloud-based. For the projectors, we've got 2. There's the PF600U that LG is calling a 3-in-1 lifestyle companion device, and then we've got the Cinebeam that we'll talk about in a little bit, because what I want to show you is this 3-in-1 guy. The PF600U is full HD. It does 300 ANSI lumens of brightness with auto screen adjustment. It's got your mood lighting, your projector, and your speaker all right here in a pretty stylish little stand that isn't going to take up too much floor space for you. Those stereo speakers have passive radiators offering rich and immersive sound. It's also got 9 colors and 5 brightness levels on that LED lamp, adding some visual depth. And it's a premium entertainment experience with LG WebOS. This one also won CES's 2025 Innovation Award honoree. Finally, for their 4K projector, it's a little beefier than the other guy. We've got their Cinebeam S. This one's a 3-channel RGB laser 4K UHD projector, ultra short throw, 500 ANSI lumens of brightness with auto screen adjustment. This is LG's smallest 4K ultra short throw projector, offering premium image quality and sleek, compact design. It covers 154% of the DCI-P3 color space, and it can project from 40 to 100 inches wide, even from a short distance. It's also got a built-in stereo system with Dolby Atmos. And now let's check out what I'm personally most interested in, their new gaming monitors. I've got 3 to show you today. There's the GX9 Bendable, the GX9, and the GX9S. They're all 21 by 9 to give you that nice work and play mix. And they're all LG's WOLED panels, which give you accurate colors in any environment, well lit or dim. They're all running at high refresh rates, and they're all curved. First up is the GX9S. This is a 39-inch ultra-wide 1440p monitor running at 240 hertz. It looks good, it plays good, I love it. They're boasting a 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time and 98.5% coverage of DCI-P3 with a VESA True Black 400 rating and that 800R curvature. On a screen this size, it feels pretty good. It's also got 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and 1 DP 1.4 with up to 65 watts of power delivery on the USB-C port. This one's also a smart monitor. So if you've ever wanted to just have a device that doesn't necessarily need a computer attached to browse the web or do whatever you want, now you can. You can have the best of both worlds. You get a smart monitor and a gaming monitor all in one. We can't show you too much of the smart features while we're here at CES, but it's got the home hub, there's LG channels, it's ready to go. We need the remote to do a bit more, and they're not giving it to us. One of the really nice features about this one as well is if you don't like a black monitor, it comes in white, so it might look a little nicer in your home. Next up, we've got the 45GX. This thing is the world's first and largest 5K, 2K OLED gaming monitor. One of the nicest things about this one is the improved PPI of 125 pixels per inch. They're boasting, again, 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time thanks to that ultra-fast OLED pixels. And then it's also a dual mode. It'll do WUHD at 165 hertz or WFHD at 330 hertz for whatever you want, whether that's fast-paced competitive gaming or a more relaxed, maybe a racing sim, or you're just adventuring around. And then it's going to cover 98.5% of DCI-P3 with another True Black 400 rating and an 800R curvature. It's also got 2 10-watt built-in speakers, and you know I love built-in speakers. Last but not least, we've got the GX9 Bendable. It's the world's first 5K, 2K bendable OLED gaming monitor. You're not going to bend it yourself, so there's no random fear of like breaking the device, and you can set it to stop at any point along the curvature. So if you like a lot of curve, like a 900R curve, go for it. You want flat, do it up. You want something in between, whatever in between, that's fine too. Aside from being bendable, this one's also dual mode with 165 hertz WUHD or up to 330 hertz WFHD. This one is also doing 98.5% of DCI-P3 with a VESA True Black 400 rating and a 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, thanks again to those lightning fast OLED pixels. Obviously, we don't have pricing or release dates for any of this stuff, but it should all be coming out later this year. Thanks so much again to LG for sponsoring this video so we can come check out their booth at CES 2025. You want to watch another video? There's tons of them. We've been at CES this whole week.